In a recent survey of more than 330 leading sales organizations, Aberdeen Group identified the three differentiated behaviors of best-in-class organizations, on the basis of which they came up with the five strategies that can be used for transforming an average organization into a best-in-class sales organization. So let's have a look. The first strategy is to use customer engagement data. The average sales cycle for best-in-class sales team is 16% shorter than that of underperformers. What's the secret? For many, it's using analytics to track sales content effectiveness. The top performers are 3 times more likely to use analytics to improve the quality of marketing content and overall sales effectiveness. In fact, best-in-class sales organizations are 1.2 times more likely than other organizations to have and use engagement data. With data-driven insights, reps can engage prospects with intelligence instead of guesswork, and they can course correct in real time. The second strategy is to identify what works and make sure reps repeat it. 65% of content created for sellers never gets used. Best-in-class organizations, they ensure that marketing content resonates with customers and doesn't go to waste. They are 15 times more likely than underperformers to use a formal selling methodology in which they identify optimal messaging and timing at each stage of the sales cycle. They are also 1.4 times more likely to align marketing content with specific stages of the sales cycle. The third strategy is to provide anytime, anywhere, any device access to sales content. Mobile access to sales content makes the sales team more productive and effective. Best-in-class sales organizations that provide mobile access to sales content achieve 2.75 times more reductions in their sales cycle than all other organizations. Their reps are also twice as likely to achieve their sales quota. The fourth strategy is to give your sellers more time to sell. Consider how much time your sales reps typically spend on administrative tasks, data entry, and searching for information when they could be selling. So it's no wonder that an average salesperson spends only 35% of the time in interacting with the customers. The top performing sales organizations make effective use of sales rep time by giving them content faster and easier. Most of these organizations also maintain a central library of marketing in which they have approved assets for different selling situations and allows the sales rep to customize for specific selling situations. The fifth strategy is know when to walk away. The best-in-class organizations are better at prioritizing leads. They are 14 times more likely to walk away from deals that are unlikely to close. By making faster decisions to disqualify dead-end deals, these sales reps can devote more time and energy to pursuing the most promising opportunity. So these were the 5 recommended strategies. However, the strategies must be consistent with each other and integrated for the firm to perform successfully.